Happy Mother's Day! Yeah.
We buying stuff for Mom. We going to Walmart. I want to. Here. Yeah.
These are so cute.
Get one.
What kind does she like?
I don't know.
Wait, you gotta make sure it's that good icing, cause
This is a strawberry.
you know what, that whipped creamy icing. 'Cause the other one's disgusting.
Get that pink one.
Pink one?
What color does Mom like?
She likes purple. She likes purple. Oh, wait, Eli, that's chocolate cake. I know. And then she does like purple.
She likes purple.
Yeah. Okay.
This one's good.
Yeah.
Vanilla. Vanilla.
What'd you find, Ryan? What you finding? I don't know. These are
I
all so
love my
cute.
mommy.
What about you boys? What's your find so far? Get Mama a card? Any? Look, there's this one. Make way coming through. We love Mom's delivery car. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, Eli? Oh, that is cute. Go ahead and wear Mother's Day. Oh, this one. This one's cute. This is cute. When is Mother's Day? Tomorrow?
No.
I think so.
In 2 days.
Sunday? Look, Eli. Eli, come here. Look. Pull it. It says pull. Thinking of you. Oh.
This one.
Look, and it says, you want to hold it? There you go. Open
Don't
it.
look behind you.
Look.
Don't look behind you.
It says, hope your Mother's Day is filled with your favorite things. And then look. You could pull it up and pull it down.
Yeah. That one.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hey, Eli, don't look.
Oh my, she likes Wonder Woman. Mom's put her and Hero. She likes Wonder Man. Love all the great things. It has like a little pin. Yeah, that's what I want.
Wait,
Really glue that keeps the family together.
No,
It's
no.
a nice way of saying you're stuck with us.
All of us, Mom. All of us.
Let's just take all the time to say I love you, Mom. Let's pull them 1 million. Oh, look at the kitty.
Wait. Do we each get?
I like that
Do
one.
we each get a pick
I like
one?
that one, bro.
Here, Joey. Yeah.
That one's just like you and your mama.
Mom, you deserve more than a hug on Mother's Day. Oh, you pull it? Oh, wow. Love you, Mom. You deserve a whole flock of them.
Yeah, that's cool.
Look at that.
That's cool.
I
Look, Jojo, there's another
Eli,
one.
we're not shopping for you, bro.
know.
We're not shopping for you.
Is it supposed to be like this?
Just like that. And what are you gonna do?
Put it in the mail.
You're gonna put it in the mail?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To pretend the mailman came.
And pretend the mailman came?
And we say, Mom, go stick in the mail.
Ah, look at mama.
And then and the mom will be like, what's in it? And she looks in the mail and this mine.
Ah, I see.
Chocolate. I know. She told me what chocolates she likes. What are those little circle chocolates?
Right there on the floor.
Do we get her?
No, just a regular one. Like, not all the colors.
one of them.
She likes them too, don't she?
I remember what.
Thanks for always being so good. Let's get her that one and the pin one so she can wear the pin. Okay.
My little one.
Big envelopes too.
You're gonna get the little one still. I'm gonna get Mom this one.
Happy It says Happy Mother's Day. This is like so modern. It's a perfect time to let you know you're perfect and loved every single day. Happy Mother's Day.
Which one, guys? Which one, guys?
I'm sorry, Ella.
You're good. It says, I'm so lucky you are my mom, and I want to tell you that I love a whole bunch. I loved that you're loved a whole bunch. Sorry. Happy Mother's Day.
Mama bear.
Mama bear.
says, "It's my chance to give a gift to give a gift of love back to you, Mom. Thanks for always being so good to me. Happy Mother's Day." Which one, guys? Which one, Dad?
Mama bear.
That one, Mama Bear.
Okay, and this little pink card.
So are we?
BJ said.
It was the only size and it's black and white.
Oh yeah.
And I thought she might want one. It was like those tie-dye jogger thingies, but they were short and like they were like 13.
Oh yeah, girl.
Claire's.
Your wallet's gonna be crying.
We're gonna try to go to the other earrings over here, Daddy, and see if there's anything else.
Get him,
there.
yeah. Wow, Mom.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mom putting in some music.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Thank you. Hey, Mommy.
Oh, this is cute. Okay. So this little
That's
bear.
from all of us. Cause we love. Hey, that tag was supposed to get off. I don't know why y'all left it on. Yoink.
Oh, and my favorite chocolate.
Yes, Mom, and your favorite chocolate.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, what the heck?
Don't you like that?
Wow,
I do.
Mom.
I do like
Wow, you can snack on those at work.
Thank you. Yeah. Sure will.
Yay.
And kisses.
And kisses everywhere from us, Mom. Aww.
Yeah, we had to go
Some
to
Skittles.
Some
Look at
candies.
this.
the.
More candy.
I saw that.
My eyes.
Mom, we had to tear off all of our lips for those kisses.
This is cute.
Yeah.
I'll
yeah.
share with y'all. And then let's see.
I guess present number one.
Present number one.
Present number one. Oh, look at these cute hoops.
They are cute.
Aww.
I have something for you.
Okay.
It's a little thing, but I have.
Oh, look at these
Breathable.
socks.
Breathable.
I need it.
Breathable.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I
I
saw
need
them.
some
Hey, I
that
picked them
breathe.
up. Everybody was thinking about your feet.
Thank you, Emma. Because I needed some socks. Oh, what is this?
What the heck is that?
Oh, some PJs.
PJ bottoms.
They're like shorts, right? Capris. Yeah.
They look cute. And they look comfy.
Yeah, moms. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, moms. Yeah. Like, you know, you can get rid of. You can get rid of those stars since I met you. You've been having those. You know. I'm just saying though.
Okay. And a top.
It's cute.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
The top matches. Yay.
So the mailman steals it.
Mm.
Aw,
Those are really cute.
thank you. They are cute.
And with
What is
Zam.
Wow.
Gift
Yeah,
cards.
we still
Oh, my
those.
gift cards.
You know, Mom, whenever you say you don't have no money and you have to
Count my change.
survive for the week, and we gave you some money for
thank
for
you.
Yeah, we
eats.
gave you some money.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I sure will use them.
We know you will.
And then, ooh, like a long sleeve. These are, is this a top?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
For you, in the winter, so you can wear
Yeah.
Oh, and
It's
Mommy,
really stretchy
Mom,
and
there's
comfortable.
one last thing.
them.
I forgot to put it in there though.
The little one. Little one first.
Little one?
Okay. It's right behind my back. No. Yes.
Okay, let me read this. It says, go ahead, wear it. If anyone deserves the royal treatment on Mother's Day, it's you. Aww.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Mama Bear. It's my chance to give a gift of love back to you, Mom. Thanks for always being so good to me.
us.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, us.
Aww,
Yes.
that's sweet.
Why?
This is my first big,
Oversized card.
yeah.
Well, see,
That's
Eli
cute.
actually pushed the wrong button and it's supposed to shrink, and we got him big.
All my flowers.
And
Oh,
her,
thank you.
those are real though.
These are real.
Oh, those are from the other day anniversary flowers.
Oh, okay.
Shopping.
She have two.
Those are her Mother's Day flowers.
Oh, these are
Anniversary and Mother's Day.
Someone
Two
needs
different
to
things,
take
Brian. Come on.
Yeah, Raya.
Take good care of them.
Hey, Mom. Eli needs you to go check something in the mailbox. Ta-da!
Another a card for me
Yeah.
Dad, this.
to the old lady of this house.
He licked it. He sealed it up good, Mom.
Too good. Wait, Eva, don't rip the card.
You let me do it too much. What are you doing?
No.
It's Mother's Day.
Oh, it's Mother's Day. Paul,
That's him.
thinking of you. Oh, that's so cute.
Aww.
Hope your Mother's Day is filled with all favorite things. Love you. From Eli, Mom. Oh, that is
what
so
about my
cute.
card? Where's mine?
That big one. Remember we exchanged
That
it
is so cute.
Why did you
Thank
not
y'all,
just
kiddos.
make me get big?
Thank y'all.
Hey, happy Mother's Day. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day. This is our first game of the year. Haven't been here since the last time we went to, me and Joe came for the World Series. Yep. You should check out that video.
Yeah,
I'll go ahead and post a link on top.
It'll be somewhere right in here.
Somewhere. Yesterday, me and Joe celebrated our anniversary, 9 years.
Happy anniversary,
Aw. We came to watch the Canelo and Sanders fight last night. Sanders.
We didn't go, but it was
Yeah, something like that, guys.
No.
And that was fun. We didn't really get to record much, but I'll record it a little bit on my phone.
Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And make sure your post notifications is on so you don't miss every time we post a brand new video. And comment down below done if you want to get shouted out in the next video.
Yep.
Did we hit 2,000?
Yes, we did hit 2,000.
Yes, we did.
We hit, 2,080.
Thank you guys
Subscribers
for the
so far.
2,080 people that watch our channel. We don't know why you watch our
Much
channel.
love.
We don't know why, but you know,
But thank you.
thanks, you guys. Per ticket, $40 to $65 per ticket, depending on who's playing, and you can eat all you can eat.
Oh.
That's good to know, because you spend $20 just to go get a meal. We're all geared up, baby. We're all geared up.
Yeah.
Let's go, Rangers!
Mom, when you see this, just want to let you know, Happy Mother's Day, and we love you, and thank you for what you do.
You are gonna.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, man.
I just wanted to say that I love you, and you're the best mom ever.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Love you. I love you. Hope you have a good day tomorrow and today. Even though I'm gonna be with you most of the day and the weekend. So yeah, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.